Right, 31 March 2020, and today I've got some breaking news. And the breaking news is that the Supreme Court of Appeals in Harare is going to hand down judgment in the case where the MDC appealed against Justice Mushore's judgment, which had gone against the MDC in the High Court. So today we're going to know whether Nelson Chamisa and the MDC have succeeded in having that judgment overturned. And if you remember, the judgment by Justice Mushore had said that the appointment of Nelson Chamisa and Elias Nzuri as vice presidents, second and third vice presidents, was unconstitutional, and it had given certain instructions or a number of things that needed to be done, including the fact that the MDC was supposed to hold an extraordinary Congress after 30 days. Also, the implications, if this judgment was to, if the MDC was to fail in court, and Nelson Chamisa was going to fail in court, what this would mean is that the MDC alliance will basically not be there. So Tendai BT, Welshman Ngube, those guys, they won't be having positions in the MDC alliance because the alliance won't be there. And similarly, everyone was elected at the Gweru Congress, they won't be representing the MDCT. An extraordinary Congress will have to be held, and the old structure or the old national executive which was there back then, I don't know when Morgan Tsvangirai made those appointments, that has to be put back. I hope it doesn't have to come to that, but as I said a few weeks back, there's a big possibility that this is going to happen, that this whole judgment of Justice Mushore is going to be upheld. So I've said one side. The other side is that they could, the Supreme Court could say time has passed. This whole thing has been passed by time. There's no need to make these changes anymore. They don't make sense. Everyone has moved on. But whichever way it goes, this is the end of a long and protracted battle between Nelson Chamisa and Dr. Thokozani Khuphe. The two have been in court in different ways and forms, but now it's coming to an end. A judgment is finally going to be made today, which cannot be appealed. Something very, very interesting is going to happen today, and I will be able to update you today at 3. That is when the judgment is going to be released. Dr. Thokozani Khuphe has issued a tweet on this very matter. She said she's aware that the judgment is going to be delivered, and she has said to her members, please be calm whichever way it goes. Right, thank you very much for watching. Please forward this to as many people as possible, and if you're watching on Facebook and YouTube, please like, comment, and share.